Welcome back everybody to a new YouTube video, and today we're going to be talking about the stock talk of this week. I just wanted to give you some updates on what stocks I'm specifically looking at. If we go back to the Excel spreadsheet, these are the ones I talked about in the last video. But looking at number one, Chubb. Chubb is looking pretty good. It's already up $2.13 overnight, $2.13, up 0.78%. We closed out the day at 274, I believe, on Friday. I think it's going to take a big hit up. Chubb is one of those stocks I'm looking at. Again, it's an insurance company for real estate and other insurance types, but I really think Chubb's going to go really high. So this is a stock you should be going into, at least I'm going into. Again, this is not financial advice, but you should be going into it. So not just Chubb. Another one I'm looking at that is not on this Excel spreadsheet, let me try to make this a little bit bigger, that is not on this Excel spreadsheet is, if we look at GameStop, okay? We're looking on the chart overnight, it's at up $2.39, up 10%. That is a huge percentage that it's up, but this is overnight, right? This is where the large institutions are trading. Retail is not really trading at this price. There could be a rug pull on this, which could bring it to $18 in the morning, maybe even less. But I mean, it's GameStop. GameStop has its own trajectory, has its own momentum. This is a stock I would look at. If you want to swing trade, you can make lots of money because this percentage just goes up and down. So if you can buy the dip and sell it at the high, you can make tons of money on this. So this is one of the stocks I'm looking at. I would look at AMC, but let's just type it in. I don't think AMC has what it takes anymore. Yeah, it's down 0.7 cents, down 1.5 percentage in after hours. If it goes up with GameStop tomorrow in the morning and it goes up, yeah, try to get it at a high, but I don't believe it's going to go up as significantly as GameStop. If it were to happen, AMC might go back to like 3 something. If anything, I'm probably going to be putting some puts on this if I don't like how this pattern's looking. But yeah, Chubb, GME, and also, while we're at it, let's take a look at Snapchat. Let's type in Snap. Snap's at 16.07, up 1 cent. I mean, dude, this is a great stock to buy too. If you look at the 1-year chart, it used to be 17, so you can probably get a percentage up. 5-year chart. 5-year chart obviously is at 75. This was during COVID, and then it slowly dropped down. But it's making its way back up because during that time, that was TikTok's era. Now TikTok may get banned. If it gets banned, Snap is going to go shoot to the moon. With that being said, do I think there's any other stocks out there that I would probably invest? No, not at the moment, besides maybe huge dividend stocks. I mean, if you want to go for another long-term play, let's go check out Home Depot. Home Depot, the 3-month chart, ooh, yeah, 1 year. It took a huge fall. I think Home Depot is one of those stocks that it will go up, but would I say it's a buy right now? 340. Ooh, there's a lot of competition now that's coming up in the market, especially with small home companies being recently emerged. So I would leave at Home Depot at 343. Yeah, I think Home Depot might take a huge fall. I'd actually buy some puts on that. But yeah, that's some stock advice. I know I'm using Robinhood. Robinhood's UI just looks way better than Apple's and all the other stock market programs that you could be using, but Robinhood looks pretty good. Yeah, so the Excel spreadsheet, I'll probably just add GME and maybe AMC, and let's see how it goes tomorrow. I'll give you guys another update either tomorrow or the next day, but hope you guys like my picks. All right, have a good one, guys.